Good Tuesday afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard our market intel brief here at TOPGUN Options. Matthew Buckley, call sign Whiz, founder, CEO here at TOPGUN Options. Ladies and gentlemen, day 2 of our full week of live trading and training is in the books. Yesterday, we did Solo AMZN. You can scroll down on the replay page and watch that replay right there. And then today, we did our primary live trade brief where I looked at getting long-term bullish on CBOE, CBOE. Why draw banks? That's where the money is. Why be long-term bullish on CBOE? That's where all the options trading, which is exploding exponentially, is. And I also cover a bullish on Merica trade, meaning for a small investment today, you can potentially make 6 figures into the future. If you missed either of these briefs, Solo AMZN yesterday or the primary brief today, head to go.topgunoptions.com/FT replay. That obviously stands for full throttle replay. And you can see what we covered over here yesterday, what we covered today. Tomorrow, we are in AR, accelerated retirement. We're going to take a look at the explosive psychedelic sector. And if we have some time, maybe a defense stock or some hedging, since it looks like the market up here at record highs getting a little long in the tooth, right? Maybe a little overbought up here, maybe a little bit of a pullback back down to the 20-day moving average. So if you haven't registered to attend the free trade briefs, the rest of the 2 trade briefs, head to go.topgunoptions.com/full-throttle, and you can go ahead and get airborne tomorrow and Thursday. Now, and you don't want to miss Thursday, folks. I'm going to do a sniper training. S&P 500, how I get in and out, maybe in and out quickly, or maybe just a day trade, trading S&P 500. You've asked for it. I'm going to deliver it. I'm dedicating a standalone full throttle session to how I do my sniper trades. Now, as of me jumping on this raid here, there are, 8? 8 full throttle slots are gone. We are only taking 25. 8 of them are gone as of me doing the SITREP video. You need to go to our homepage. Go to topgunoptions.com and then just hover over trade groups right there, and a drop-down will appear. You need to go to full throttle. Click full throttle on the drop-down there. If you want access to the Hunters, which is one of our investment clubs, I strongly recommend you do the annual $29.95. If you want to kick the tires for a couple months, it's $4.97 a month. But if you do the annual right out of the gate, it's a 50% discount. Trust me, I want you in the monthly Hunters for the rest of your life. That's why I'm a good guy, and we came up with an annual. If you're just a tire kicker, Whiz, I just want access to a couple of the live trade briefs, the training called Options Weapon School, and the manuals. That's you. That's the $295. That's the ultimate tire kicker package right there. But this is for serious tire kickers, and this is where you're going to end up, I guarantee you. But good stuff going on, man. We got Amazon earnings coming up. Quick strategic brief real quick, though. The Iranian threat hasn't gone away, folks. Trump again's threatened, I'm going to destroy new Iranian assets if you rebuild stuff or try to. So not out of the woods yet, folks, over in the Middle East, okay? So we got to keep an eye on that. And we talked a little bit about this today, getting long-term bullish on Raytheon. Why? Patriots, we're out of weapons, folks. We begin being, okay, easy for me to say. We've been giving missiles to Israel and Ukraine. Let's go take a look at Raytheon and the rip your face off rally Raytheon has had. Let's take a look at a year-to-date chart. There's obviously your trade war and tariff shellacking. And look at the rip we've seen in Raytheon from about 112 up to a high of, 153 recently. Wow. And let me give you a bigger wow. Look at October 8th. If you got bullish on October 8th of 2023, why? That's after the attack by Hamas on Israel. The stock has returned 116%. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to recognize when bad things happen on the TV, how you can potentially print money off of it. Raytheon was a screaming buy after the attacks. Why? Because the world's running out of weapons. Don't get me wrong, folks. You're going to learn tomorrow in our psychedelics brief. I hate war now. One of the reasons psychedelics still currently remain illegal at a federal level is because they can turn warriors into peacemakers, okay? But the MIC, the military-industrial complex, needs to be fed. And I'm going to make money off the MIC needing to be fed. U.S. economy is regaining its swagger. The global economy is powering through historic tariff increases or trade wars and stuff like that. Ladies and gentlemen, who got this right? This guy. Look at this headline. Forget taco, Trump is winning the trade war. Yeah, I told you this was going to happen. You saw today in our live trade brief that I did a bullish on America trade. Go to Men Lie Trades Don't. Go to my YouTube page right now, Top Gun Options, and scroll down. It's an 18-minute video, folks. Look at this. Where is it? 3 months ago. Let me scroll down one more time. Right there. Look at this. 3 months ago, bullish on America trade. Look at the headline here, folks. 6-figure potential profit from today's pullback, doors closed tonight. During a full throttle 3 months ago, I showed you a bullish on America trade that cost about $2,300 that could potentially make over the coming years 97, I think it was closer to 90, allow me to round up, 100 grand. Would you have paid 3 months ago $2,300 to potentially make close to 100 grand? Yeah, you're an idiot if you say no. So I covered what a potential new bullish on America trade would be today, and it's more expensive than it was 3 months ago. Why? Because I'm smart, SMRT. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. When did I put the bullish on America trade on? Right down here, folks, where what? All the, quote, smart money was panicking. All the liberals in the media and the Democrats in Capitol Hill, oh, Trump's going to kill us, and look, it's going to be a bear market and recession, and inflation's going to be raging. None of that happened. So if you listened to those idiots and sold, that's on you. You needed to be a Top Gun Options member. What did I tell you down here? To buy it with both hands. Okay, we printed money on the way down doing tactics called bearish double verticals. And then we rolled verted, pulled up, and started doing bullish trades. Again, Men Lie Trades Don't. I showed you today my personal portfolio. Geez, my JP Morgan synthetic stock, my CBOE, my Amazon positions are printing money. I told folks to add to all those names down here, and the folks that listen to me are better be sending me nice Kwanzaa presents, or at least making a nice donation to the No Fallen Heroes Foundation. We're going to talk about all that stuff tomorrow. Have you seen MindMed, right? I told you a couple months ago to buy MindMed with both hands, MNMD. Go take a look at a chart of MNMD. Look at a 3-month chart of MindMed here. Wow. Or a 1-month chart. I mean, this is essentially going straight up. Oh, hold on here. Not Raytheon. Sorry, MindMed. MNMD. One more time. E-Trade. There you go. Look at this. Look at that. Buy it with both hands. It's up. If you allow me to round up, what's that say? 59, 60. 60%. And it's got more to go. You have got to get long-term bullish on the psychedelic space. You're a fool if you don't. We're going to talk about that stuff tomorrow, okay? The Maha movement loves psychedelics. Should Wall Street? Duh. Yeah, you should. So again, if you are not registered to attend, go.topgunoptions.com/full-throttle. Maybe if you become a member, you can get access to some private investments, Healing Realty Trust, Demorex. We have different opportunities in the Maha space for you to invest privately, right? These are not publicly traded companies yet. Well, I don't know. We'll see. I'm torn whether or not I want my investments in these private companies to go public or not. Sometimes dealing with shareholders is a pain in the ass. Okay, so go.topgunoptions.com/FT-replay to watch the replay. Like I said, once we get 25 new members, we're done. Don't forget, Solo AMZN is its own standalone service. It is not part of Full Throttle. It's only $97 a month. This is the gateway drug. If you want to kind of dip your toe into what we do here at Top Gun Options, it's $97 a month for our Solo AMZN live trade brief every Monday, okay? You have absolutely got to take the training. It's only $297, folks, to take the training called Options Weapons School to get you up to speed quickly, taking that building block approach just like I did in Navy flight training, okay? It's all right there, the course breakdown. You also get these manuals. It is an absolute steal, okay? I got to get going. We're having a fun time here at Top Gun Options. I love opening the doors to let the public come in and see current flight operations for free so you can see what we do live. No death by PowerPoint, only results and live trades. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Fights on.